So this is the suspended platform that I built in my living room. I'm going to be putting a HS scale train set on it. It's got electric oyster light, although I'm looking at replacing that with some better lighting because it's got this shadow effect around the walls that I'm not happy with. In my linen cupboard, I have a winch control. I've installed, got some downlights above it. The kids are using it for Lego at the moment. And the idea is that I will come over here and turn on my trains, which turns off the light underneath at the same time. Now all I have to do is build the track.